Hello po mga kanayan, mga katanship. It's a Sunday, but I'll show you what happened today. Oh, please like, share, and subscribe, please. Joelitos Way. Subscribe. This is what happened. Our car, 1, and then 2. They're all covered with snow. Imagine this one. I gotta clean it up later. I need to shovel this one first. I got 2 shovels to use. I'll show you how. But it was just a quick one. Just go like this and just push it. Okay, that's it for now. I look like an Eskimo. Oh God. See you guys later. Subscribe.